The meme coin landscape is constantly changing and evolving, and so are the different bots and tools for meme coin trading. And it's important to know what are the best bots and tools for your specific needs so that you can maximize your gains. So in today's video, we're going to cover the top 5 trading bots for 5 different specific needs so that you can optimize your meme coin trading. So I will leave timestamps down below so you can skip back and forth if you want to. I will leave links to all of these bots down below that will get you less fees on the platforms. With that said, make sure you like and subscribe, and let's dive straight into it with the first category, which is the overall best Solana trading bot or web app. And in my opinion, it's pretty obvious. You do have Axiom, which is obviously the go-to and the biggest trading bot by far. They still have probably 70-80% of the market share. They're absolutely crushing it, and it is a great platform. I'm sure you are familiar with the polls, but they have basically every single feature you would need, like a Twitter tracker, wallet tracker. It's super quick, it's very customizable, just very easy to understand and to get started with as well. Plus they do have perpetuals, which is pretty cool if you're into that kind of thing. But there is also a newer web app that has started to take a lot of the market share, which in my opinion right now is just as good, if not better. So for the best web app on Solana, it's kind of personal preference in my opinion. I have been using Padre quite a bit lately. This is another great platform. The overall user experience is fairly similar to Axiom, I would say. It's a fairly similar layout, but it's super quick. So these are the trenches right here. The overall trading setup is fairly similar, but it is also super customizable. So you have your instant trades, you have average top 10 holders entry, which is a nice feature, but one of the coolest and most unique features that makes this such a good platform in my opinion, other than everything that Axiom has, is some of their more unique features, like their alpha tracker, which basically tells you when any token is mentioned in the biggest alpha groups in the world, like Potion and Pastel Alpha. These are paid communities costing hundreds of dollars per month for each of these communities, but Padre basically aggregates all of these calls and sends them right here, and they also get overlaid onto the chart, so you can see that this token got mentioned in Cryptic multiple times, as well as Prosperity and Pastel Alpha right here. You can see that this token has been mentioned in Diggy World and a lot of these other groups recently as well. So this is just a really cool feature. The platform as a whole is super customizable as well. You can customize the layout with an extra sidebar if you want to. But another thing that also is a bit better than Axiom in my opinion is their wallet tracker. They obviously have their Twitter tracker, but they allow up to 10,000 wallets on their wallet tracker, and you can put them into different groups, which is the main difference. So you can categorize the wallets by whatever you want basically. So I can set up a new group that I call KOL wallets, where I only add KOL wallets. You can do another one called smart money, where you only add smart money wallets, and it's just a bit easier and more organized to track the specific wallets you want to track at a certain time. Plus, if you use a referral link to sign up, you do get 35% cashback instead of the original 10%, and 35% is way higher than any other trading bot on the market, meaning you end up saving loads on fees. You will basically earn these rewards back just by using the platform. And let's say you do 500 Solana worth of trading volume. This will make you $350 back on Padre, while it'll only make you like $100 on Axiom, I think, and on most platforms $0, because most of them don't have any cashback. So that is also really cool. But at the end of the day, when it comes to the best Solana trading bot web app, I think it's personal preference right now between Padre and Axiom, but those two platforms do take the win. By far the best platforms out there right now. Now the next category we have is the best copy trading bot on the market right now. If you have watched some of my previous videos, you know I've done multiple of these copy trading challenges. I've tried pretty much every copy trading bot out there. One of my most recent videos actually was a complete copy trading speed test, where I put 4 of the most popular copy trading bots to the test. Basically they all copied the same wallet, and I did multiple test transactions to see which wallet was the fastest, and the winner was TradeWiz. I've been talking a lot about TradeWiz on the channel because when it comes to copy trading, it is by far the best one out there. If you don't believe me, go check out the speed test I did, because TradeWiz basically had the quickest transaction every single time. It's also super customizable. It's overall a great Telegram bot too, but their copy trading feature has been a big focus for a while, and it is really good. So it's super customizable. This is what it looks like. You can customize everything. You have target wallet name, and then all of these different customizations to make sure you only enter the trades you actually want to enter and copy the ones you want to copy. I'm not going to cover how to set this up because I have done that in a previous video, so go and check that out instead. But if you're into copy trading, TradeWiz is by far the best option. And again, you do save fees when signing up with the link I will put down below. Now, we did talk about the best Solana trading bot because Solana is still the biggest market for meme coins, but I also want to do a category of best multi-chain trading bot because meme coins are actually performing extremely well on other chains like Ethereum and Base and BNB chain as well right now. But it won't get too complicated. You won't need too many different applications and bots because Padre actually has all of these different chains. Padre has both Solana as well as Ethereum and Base, which is essentially all you would ever need. I do a bit of Base trading once in a while as well, so it is nice to have it all on one platform and not have to do multiple different platforms, so many different wallets to manage, etc. I have done a full tutorial on Padre as well, so go and check that out if you want a more in-depth understanding of everything that Padre offers. But overall, it's just an amazing platform, and unlike Axiom, who only supports Solana, Padre actually supports Base and Ethereum as well, which is obviously a big selling point to a lot of people. Now, next up, we have the best Telegram trading bot, which right now, in my opinion, still is Trojan. Trojan has been around for a long time, and they are still the biggest Telegram trading bot on Solana for a reason. They are quick and reliable and just a very good trading experience. I'm sure most of you know how a Telegram trading bot works, but you can basically paste in any sort of contract address just like this, and you can trade it right here. You can quick buy, you can change slippage, everything. Of course, they also have DCA orders, limit orders, copy trading, snipers, and trenches. But to be fair, TradeWiz is also a great overall trading bot. So if you want the best like all-in-one experience with copy trading and normal trading, as well as sniping, which TradeWiz actually will be adding next week, then both Photon and TradeWiz will be a very good experience. And lastly, we do have the best sniper. So if you want to customize your snipes to snipe specific tokens as soon as they migrate, etc., you can obviously do this on Padre and on Axiom right here in the trenches. As soon as they migrate, this will turn into a snipe button. But the Telegram trading bots are actually a bit more customizable normally when it comes to the snipers. So if you're into sniping, I would actually recommend Trojan still, or TradeWiz, which is coming out next week, because like I said earlier, TradeWiz is the fastest copy trading bot out there, one of the fastest execution bots when it comes to limit orders, etc., which I showed you in my previous video. So I am actually fairly confident that they will have one of the best snipers on the market when that launches next week as well. So I highly recommend you to check that out once that launches. I will certainly be playing around with it. But again, both Trojan and TradeWiz will be good options in this specific scenario. And I know that there are so many other great trading tools out there. Bananagun is a great trading bot, Photon is a great trading bot, and so many others. But these ones that I mentioned here in this video are, in my opinion, right now in 2025, your best options that you should go to when getting into meme coin trading. Now, if you disagree with any of these categories and you think there are better options out there, please let me know down below in the comment section, and I will have an honest look at whichever bot you prefer. Or if there are any other categories in meme coin trading that you feel like I missed in this video, also let me know down below in the comment section, and I will make sure to talk about that in the future. Again, you can save between 10 and 30% in fees when signing up with my links down below to all of these platforms. So do make sure you do that. Let me know what is your favorite trading bot at the moment. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. And with that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.